back with Pathfinder in 1997, and that was sort of the start of this hunt for water. And I'm wondering if you could put in perspective just how big a deal this finding is.
Well, I have to say that it is one of those things where we've gotten to the point where we're pretty sure we found water, and then actually be able to measure it as H2O really helps conclude part of that search. And I think one of the things that we're seeing with Phoenix and what we'll see with future missions is that we'll be moving away from necessarily finding water, but to actually looking for where there might be habitats for life. And so part of that indicator is the fact that TIGA is going to be able to measure organic molecules. Next mission, the Mars Science Laboratory also has a gas chromatograph mass spec. So we're moving toward to understanding whether or not there are places on Mars that could have been or might even still be habitable.
Dick Kerr, if you can ask your question quickly and we can get a quick answer, we will go to you, please.
Boynton, this is Dick Kerr at Science. What's the possibility of getting some isotopic compositions on that water that you got into this particular cell, if it's a few percent or less?
Okay, in this particular case, it seems pretty clear that there's not enough there for us to get a good isotopic signature. The amount of water is really at our detection limit, and we really need more than that to be able to measure the isotopic ratios. Those ratios need to be measured with very high precision to be useful, as I think you probably appreciate. And this particular sample doesn't give us enough material to do that, which is why at some point we will have to go back and get a more ice-rich sample.
Well, thanks, everyone. Thanks to the panel for your great answers and great news today. Thanks to the audience and you folks tuning in. We hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, you can follow our progress on our websites. And happy birthday, NASA.